Hey there and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Nahin. You are watching Bengal Explorer, and in this video I am going to discuss about the pros and cons about a rear stepney wheel. Well, the Ford EcoSport comes with a rear stepney wheel mounted at the back, which has its own advantages and disadvantages. And in this video I am going to discuss about them. And if you are a EcoSport owner in 2021, should you be getting a challan for a rear stepney wheel? And will the new EcoSport coming with a rear stepney wheel or not? So in this video I am going to discuss about these factors in short. So stay tuned to this video till the end and I hope you would enjoy watching it. So without a further delay, let's get started. Well, let's first start with the advantages of a rear stepney wheel mounted at the back. So the first thing is it looks like an SUV with a rear stepney wheel mounted at the back, which is quite attractive and it gives a new look to the car. And many of us do like this look of the Ford EcoSport. So in a word, it improves the look of this compact SUV. The second parameter is it's quite functional. You can easily open and attach this stepney easily, as it's quite easy and accessible. In the meantime, you get a rear stepney wheel key which ensures the safety of the stepney wheel. And you can easily touch and feel the wheel and maintain a proper tire pressure. Whereas if the stepney is in the boot, you might forget to check it before your trip. The third parameter is it gives extra protection in the back side. While reversing or parking, if you hit the wall mistakenly, it won't damage the rear door panel or the bumper easily because it will first hit the stepney wheel. Again, it can save up to some extent only. So these were all the advantages of a rear stepney wheel mounted at the tailgate. Now let's discuss about the disadvantages of a rear stepney wheel mounted at the tailgate. So the first thing is it decreases the safety of the car. So for example, if any car hits the rear side of a EcoSport, it would affect both the vehicles as it reduces the crumple zone of the car. The car which will hit the EcoSport from the back side, the impact will be in the stepney wheels, which is harder than the back door panel or the bumper of the car, causing the car more damage than usual. And that is why the European markets, the EcoSport comes without a rear stepney wheel mounted at the tailgate. The safety norms are more strict in the European markets than the Asian markets. That's why Ford is able to keep a rear stepney wheel mounted at the tailgate in the Indian market. The second disadvantage is due to the weathering. The rear mounted stepney will remain exposed to the sun, which reduces the life of the tires. Now you might have a question that the other tires are also exposed to the sun, but they are in continuous use, so it won't affect much. Now many people also assume that a rear stepney wheel will make the back door noisy or unstable over the years, but that's totally a false assumption. The doors are quite strong and hardy, so no issues with that over the years also. Even many people stand on the rear stepney wheel also and is quite strong. So these were about the advantages and disadvantages of a stepney wheel mounted on the tailgate. And if you are still watching this video, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification for future updates. Now let's discuss, should you be getting a traffic fine for your rear mounted stepney wheel? Well, till now there is no traffic rule mentioned about this issue, and you don't need to pay any fine for that, as you are not modifying your car. The EcoSport comes with a rear mounted stepney wheel at the tailgate from the company itself, so you don't need to worry about it. Now, will the new EcoSport be launched without a rear mounted stepney wheel at the tailgate? So, as you all might be knowing that Ford has removed the stepney from some of their EcoSport variants, and in the future, if the rules and regulations would be more strict, then Ford need to remove the rear stepney wheel, which would be quite painful for us who loves a rear mounted stepney wheel in our EcoSport. And if you like this content, consider by pressing the like button, and if I have missed out any factors, then comment down so that it would be informative for all of us. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Stay safe, and I wish to see you in the next one.